All right, this is the weekly overview of November 30th through December 4th. All right, so here's what we have all week. Uh, on Monday, we will be doing notes on graphing two variable inequalities. Also, there will be a notebook check this week. I have it right here, and I also have it down here. So you see it twice, so make sure you have your notebook in school and that it's in order. If it's not in order, you need to make sure you get the table of contents off the board and put it in order. Okay, so we'll be doing notes on Monday. Tuesday, we'll be doing problems involving the two-step variable inequalities, showing you how to graph it and solve it. I'll do the even problem with you, and you'll do problem 1 through 9, the odd. Wednesday, we'll go to another page. I'll do the even problem with you, 12 through 22 in class. This needs to be turned in. And then Thursday, you'll go back to that same page and you'll do 13 through 23, the odd numbers. Friday, I'm giving you as a makeup work. So if you're missing anything from this week or previous weeks that need to be turned in, you have the whole period to do so. Also, remember in intensive math, you got to get your 12 topics in your 120 minutes done this week. If you have any questions, let me know. If you need any help, also let me know.